Hey, what's up? Hope you're doing well. Wanted to talk about the projects layout that we offer. You don't have to use this one. You can use the old school default one we had forever, which is like just the Divi default. But our new ones here have used dynamic content a little bit to give it to repeat the background image up here and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how you can make these. So let me just get rid of all these except the first one here. That'll be our kind of demo one that we're going to go off of. But first I'm going to add a new project. I'm just going to call it test project. Then I'm going to go ahead and set a featured image for it. Oh, I need a big one. I'm going to use this one because I know, actually I really like this photo. This photo's sick. I'm going to use that. And then we'll just put some stuff down here, publish it, and this will be your default that you get, which isn't terrible. You know, it's like, yeah, cool. There's my project. Yay. All right, but now we're going to say, hey, I want to use a Divi builder. And so actually, I would just make the page, and before typing in any of that content, I would just do this first. If you're going after this look, so actually let me just say start building and return to the editor. So what I would do if you're like, hey, I want this to start, then before typing any of this stuff, I would just title it, give it a featured image, and then you're going to take this fade with padding body class, and we're going to add that right there. And I think that's all we need from that guy, but we'll see. And then I would save this with the featured image, fade with padding, and your title. Save it, and then hit Use Divi Builder. And then choose Pre-Made Layout. Save Layouts, Project Layout. It's going to bring that bad boy in here. Bring! Man, I was trying to time that just right. It's going to take its time and bring this in here. There's a local install too. It should be like instantaneous, you would think. So I don't know what the deal is. But while that's loading, I guess let's take a peek at what it's going to do. So it's going to bring this whole thing in, which we're going to fire the builder here. So it's going to take our featured image, make it the background of the first section here, and then it's going to put our title up here, and then it's going to have our featured image again, and title again, and category, and then this content, which you can easily replace. Wow, it's just taken a long time. I'm going to go ahead and reload. I don't know why it's doing that. All right, so let's say, yep, my saved layouts, project layout. Let's see if it does it this time. Yeah, I'm not sure why. So if this happens to you, and it's like, dang it, what's going on? Then what I would do is I'd be like, okay, whatever. I'm just gonna reload this, right? And I got my default whatever. I would open up one of these test projects, switch to wireframe view, and just right click, copy this section, go over here, paste this section, get rid of that guy, and just be like, see, you can't stop me. Even if you don't want to import my layout, I'm still going to paste these in, boom, and then now when I go to view it, you can see it's brought in test project, brought in my featured image back there, featured image again, test product. I haven't given it any categories. I'm going to do that right now. Let's see here. Category, design, let's say. So I'm going to save this really quick, and I bet when I reload it, design's going to show up right there. Boom. Okay, so yeah, so now let's go check it out. So from this to this right here. which I still think is pretty sweet. Yeah. So yeah, so if the page, if the layout import thing doesn't work for whatever reason, who knows why? Maybe it's because I was local, or who knows why. Don't stress about it. Just do the old right-click, copy section, paste, and you'll be golden. That's how to get your projects to have this look. All right. Stay fly, and thanks again for purchasing Josefin.